So, first of all, I left my camera at home. I was supposed to bring my vlog camera, but in the midst of all the craziness this morning, I completely forgot my camera. But I'm here to share some very exciting news with you guys. Before I get started, I got my hubby behind the camera.
Hey guys!
So he's gonna be helping me film on my iPhone, so I apologize if the quality is a little not the usual.
Quality is great.
But yeah, we're filming on the iPhone today. So I mentioned, some of y'all may or may not have seen it, but I mentioned on my Instagram an apology to you guys for being so all over the place on my YouTube lately, and also just posting in general. But the reason why is because we've been out here making boss moves, right?
Right.
We've been out here making money moves, right?
Right.
So I'm gonna be showing y'all today, me and PJ, my hubs, got our first house. Yay!
Yay!
Don't show them too much now. You know?
Oh, okay. Not too much.
We don't want people, trying to come up. People crazy nowadays. But yeah, I just want to give y'all an empty house tour. I'm super excited because we're going to be doing a lot of stuff to the space. But before I start doing anything, I wanted to just show y'all a tour so that I can take y'all along with me as we start to decorate and stuff like that, and just, start to spice it up, bring out some new content, some new, lifestyle stuff on my channel. But I'm gonna stop talking and bring y'all in and give y'all the tour. All right, so we're inside the front door. Front door's right here. And
front door.
Yes. So when you first come in, you have the stairs.
Stairs.
And we're gonna go up there in a minute, but we're gonna do the downstairs part first.
Downstairs.
I'm so excited. If y'all can't tell,
so excited.
This was like the top of my priority list of goals for 2019. So I'm super excited. But anyway, so when you come down, the first door on the left is the bathroom.
Bathroom, husband.
And then when you keep coming in, this is the main living space. We have a little closet in here, storage closet.
So excited!
Lots of space for storage. And then this is the main living room. We got a gas fireplace, just a little living room space. And then back here we have our backyard area, which I'll show y'all in a second. And then this is the dining room. Eventually we'll probably change out some of these light fixtures and stuff, but we literally just finished our walkthrough not too long ago, and we close later on today at 2. So this is, we haven't even moved anything in, but I wanted to film this before we start bringing in some of the stuff that we got. So anyway, dining room area, and then over here is the kitchen, which I'm so excited about. I love the kitchen. We have, granite countertops, and the thing that I'm most excited about with this house is just the tones. These are my tones, so I'm super excited to just take pictures in here and post up on Instagram. And
so excited.
Yes, these are my tones.
So you gotta say it.
I already said it.
Say it one more time.
I'll say it in my own time. All right, so yeah, this is the kitchen. Nice gray, black, white, a vibe in here. Over here we have the pantry, which, it's just a pantry. And then we don't know what we're gonna do with this space. Back up a little bit so they can see. So y'all can see the kitchen. We still got a refrigerator that's coming tomorrow. So we wanna figure out what we're gonna do with this space right here. So if y'all have any ideas, let me know down below in the comments of what might be a good situation right here. I was thinking we could get one of those things where you can just have a mini mudroom type situation. But then we also thought about making this a sitting area and putting a TV over here so you can watch TV when you're in the kitchen. I don't know. Y'all let us know what should go over here. But yes, that's this right here. And then out here is the garage. Put my trunk down because it's full of stuff. But this is the garage. Nothing major out here, just garage. So we're back at the front door. We're gonna go upstairs. I'm gonna show y'all the upstairs. Come. Oops, sorry. Oh, I'm still learning the lights. Okay, so this is the upstairs area. When you first get at the top of the stairs, we have.
I'm just gonna cut your wire off here.
Okay.
So when you first get to the top of the stairs, we have a storage closet here. One of my favorite things about this house is how much storage it has, honestly, because we have a lot of stuff, and I'll probably show y'all like how I organize everything. Like, so excited. So anyway,
So excited.
this is our laundry area. Nothing special, just laundry. But I love the.
We're gonna put cabinets in there.
Yeah, we're gonna take this out and put cabinets.
It's gonna be bloop, 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 bloop.
And we can probably maybe film that project.
Yeah,
Everybody
maybe.
can see. But
Cause I'm so excited.
and I love these double doors.
So
And then to the left, right at the top, is our master bedroom.
Ooh, the lolly.
So I love the ceiling.
Ooh, the lolly.
Yeah, but nice big space in here. And then in here is our master bathroom, which is another thing that sold me on the house. Love these countertops. They're the same as the ones downstairs, but I love this whole situation. And then we got a shower back here, which I think there's a light. Oh, it's mad lights in here. So yeah, this is the shower. And, oh, I didn't mean to turn on the vent. Shower, tub with, what do you call this? Window again?
An opaque window. I don't know.
Yeah, no, that's not right. I don't remember.
Picture
But
window.
y'all know, a window where people can't see in here. Tub and the place where
The doo-doo room.
the important business happens. And then in here is our closet. Huge walk-in closet.
So excited.
And we're actually gonna do a custom closet in here. So maybe that'll be another thing that we film for you guys. Whoa, whoa. Back it up, sir. Thank you. But yeah, for right now, this is what it looks like. So that's the master. And then follow me, follow me.
So excited.
Next up, we have what will be PJ's studio. And for those of y'all, if you didn't watch our back before when we were doing vlogs, we're kind of like gonna relaunch it, but with a different vibe. But if y'all didn't watch when we were doing vlogs before, my husband runs a production company. Oh, the lights, okay. My husband runs a production company here in Atlanta, so this will be his studio. So maybe later on he'll give y'all a little tour of that. And then he has his closet right here. Nice big space for him to put all of his equipment. And then we have another storage area right here, which I'll probably put some shelving in here so that
This is what she looks like from in the storage area.
they can't see it from if you're in it. So yeah, that's that storage area. And oh, I didn't know there's another. Anyway, so this is gonna be the beauty room right here, which I love because this room lets in so much light. The room where I'm at right now, the lighting that you guys see in my videos is artificial light. Artificial light that took me forever to master, you know, getting it balanced and how I want it to look. But in here, so much good light comes in. Like if I turn off this light, okay. If I turn off the light, like, I mean, it's kind of dark, but
it's not dark. It's so bright.
Yeah, it's a lot of light that comes in here. So this will be the studio. I'm probably gonna film like setting it up, and I can finally bring you guys the Longwear beauty room tour that you guys have been asking for. So I'll, you know, stay tuned. That'll be coming. And another closet, lots of space, which I more than need for my beauty room. And then we have another little linen closet right here. And this is the guest room. So this is another thing that we're like really excited to have because this room has good light. It's bright in here. But anyway, because the place where we live right now, since we both have studios, like I have my beauty room, he has a studio, we don't have a guest room. And we both have big families that, you know, come and want to stay with us. And I just hate having people over and not having, like, not being able to give them a comfortable space to sleep and, you know, all that. So I'm very excited to finally have a guest room. I cannot wait to decorate in here and just make it everything that I want it to be. And it's a nice, big, spacious guest room with another closet, which I'll honestly probably use for like our winter clothes and, you know, stuff that we don't wear every single day. And then last but not least, we have the bathroom, which is conveniently located right next to the guest room. And the thing I love about this upstairs is that the guest room is like around a curve. So, like y'all see, that's the other side of the hallway. So when guests come and stay, they have some privacy over here. They have a bathroom.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Oh, what's happening?
I'm gonna show them.
Oh, yeah, so you see, curve.
Curve!
Now you see,
Oh, so excited.
so yeah, they have some privacy over here. You know, if they wanna, when they're taking showers, they can just come right out and go in this room. And it's a nice, big, spacious bathroom. And yeah, so that is the upstairs. Let me turn this one down.
And cut.
Okay, so we're back downstairs. I'm gonna take y'all outside and show you the backyard area, which is another thing that I'm so excited about because we have a dog. And this was like one of the things that was at the top of my list because I really wanted him to be able to have an area where he could frolic. So this is the backyard. So they put in this retention wall for us, and we're really excited, or happy, I guess I'll say. I've said excited like 50 bajillion times, but we're really happy that they put this in because we're gonna do a garden. My husband wants to do a garden, so we're gonna do a garden right up here in this area. So I don't know what we're gonna put in it. It's his idea, so I guess we'll just see. Do you want to talk about it? You want to talk about your garden?
Sure, here. Take the camera rodeo.
All right.
Hold on,
Oh, it
guys.
does look good.
I
Oh,
know.
Lord, here you go.
Hold on, guys. 1 moment. Ma'am, please no coughing behind the
Gosh,
camera.
no.
I was silent on set for you. I expect the same.
You are doing the most.
Okay, guys, so what we're gonna do up here for the garden is we're going to have some tomatoes, some cucumber, some squash, you know, things of that nature, possibly a strawberry, but
Not a
strawberries,
strawberry.
the strawberries bring mice and they bring snakes. So we don't know if we're gonna mess with that. We're gonna have something right up here and it's gonna be so exciting. Okay, so
Do any of y'all know why he keeps saying that?
Yes,
I know why he's saying it, but I'm saying if y'all know what that's from, then leave it down below. But continue.
y'all know what it's from. Y'all know what it's from. Faye doesn't watch shows, so
Hush now. Finish,
my bad.
finish your garden
well
talk.
that's the end of it. So the garden's
Okay.
gonna be up here.
All right. So yeah, that's the backyard area. We have a grill, so the grill will probably go over here. Maybe put some like some outside furniture, patio furniture situation out here. You know, we'll figure it out. Figure out how to make it do what it do out here. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. There's not much else to show. We have a big old lot of land, like all of this, all the way down, all the way down, and then over to the right. Like all of this is our land. So our property, I can say that now. So yeah, that's pretty much it, I guess.
So now you have to say it. You have to say it now.
So excited. Anyway, yeah, so that's it, guys. I just wanted to give y'all a.
I knew she was going
Can I
into
turn this?
selfie pose.
Wait.
You have to pause it to do that.
All right, guys. So that is the end. Can you not? Can you not?
Wait, ma'am.
Just
Please focus on your video.
you doing a lot. Yeah. So that's the end of our. Can you not? Just please.
Get back.
Take
Get away.
take off.
Get away. Get away.
Take those
No,
off.
no, I can't
okay,
see.
I'll do the outro by myself then. Take those off.
Stop. Just, come on.
All right. So that's the end of our. Thank you. See, isn't that so much better? So that's the end of our house tour. We're super excited to start to, share this new chapter in this new journey with you guys. And any last words?
No, dog. Other than so excited.
So thank y'all so much for watching this video. And until next time, I'll see y'all in the next video.